Imagine you are an astronaut orbiting the moon in 1968. You look out of your window and see something that no other human has ever witnessed before. A blue and white planet rising above the grey horizon of Mars. Earth. Small, fragile, and beautiful. The picture taken that day became known as Earthrise, and many people believe it changed the way humanity viewed itself. For the first time, we saw our one shared home with no borders, no politics, and no divisions, just one planet. And yet, to this day, almost 50 years later, humanity still continues to spend billions of dollars on space exploration. In 2025, the total global space expenditure reached $138 billion. By 2035, it is predicted that the total space economy will reach $1.8 trillion. This is a number that has grown exponentially over the last century and will continue to do so in the foreseeable future. Around the world, millions of people live in poverty. Many communities lack access to education, clean water, and healthcare. Livelihoods and the environment are affected all around the world by global warming. So, when somebody asks, should we really be spending this much money on space exploration when we have more pressing issues here on Earth? It sounds like a fair question. In fact, if you had asked me whether we should spend money on missions to Mars or help people who are struggling today a couple of months ago, I probably would have chosen the second option. But I've realized that this is not just choosing between Earth and space. The reality is something much more complicated, because many of the benefits that space exploration brings comes back to Earth. Space programs push scientists and engineers all around the world to bring solutions to incredibly difficult problems. And when those solutions are developed, they often come back to Earth and find new uses. An example of this is instant coffee, which was originally developed by NASA, but is now a day-to-day object and something you could find in almost everybody's house. But space exploration doesn't just bring this. It drives innovation. When President John F. Kennedy told America and the world he was going to send astronauts to the moon, no one knew how this would happen. The technology wasn't fully discovered. The solutions hadn't been invented. Scientists and engineers had to discover them. And in doing so, they transformed entire industries. Advancements include MRI and CAT scans, ear thermometers, scratch-resistant lenses, and robotic arms for precise surgery. Experiments in weightlessness has led to new insights into the human body, such as aging and bone loss. In the future, humans could look to other planets to mine rare resources and materials for Earth, and planets such as Mars could be used to live on in the future, which would solve overpopulation problems here on Earth. The AI systems of tomorrow are taking more energy than this world could provide, and this is becoming a big problem. In a podcast I listened to earlier this year, Elon Musk predicted that by 2036, all AI data systems will be in space and powered by solar panels. This is because it is almost 5 times more efficient to have to generate power in space, because there are no obstructions as there are on Earth. On Earth, there are things such as seasons, the weather, and day and night, which cause humans to add batteries so the energy can still be generated. However, in space, there is an almost unlimited amount of solar energy, which would provide a stream of energy to the AI data systems, causing them to be more efficient and therefore boosting the economy back on Earth. This could also help bring attention to medical issues along with poverty and climate change. And that's why I believe that space exploration is worth the cost, because we don't explore space to escape our planet, we explore space to save it. Thank you.